Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Brazil. For that purpose, let's draw the outline first. As you know, the usual shape is a rectangle, so we're going to draw that one. First, you can draw a straight line to the top part. Then you can go for another straight line here. And connect these two lines. Again, we can connect these two lines here. Alright, so this is the periphery, the total border line outside. Now we're going to draw another detail in the middle. All right, so this is the line in the middle. Now as you can see, there's a circle in the flag of Brazil, so we're going to draw a circle, quite a freehand drawing. All right, and in the middle there is another detail here. All right, as you know, this color is of the purple color, so we're going to put the purple color here. To have a nice outline. All right, let's fill up the middle point with a pencil. Usually it's the presentations of the symbols and the colors of the flag any country you can show. Okay, so the color is in the middle. This is done. There is some white spot you can see in some points, so in some cases we can put that spot. All right, and this point, this is the yellow color. Let's put the yellow here. As you know, when we draw something by hand, this is not the mostly accurate, but we can present a close presentation of the actual replica. Okay, so we're putting the yellow color now. All right, the yellow is done. Now around it we're going to put the green color. All right, so you can see the green combinations on the outside of this yellow border. That's how it's becoming the flag of Brazil. All right, now let's fill up this portion. Little bit space left here. Okay, so you can see the drawing is almost done, but a few more things to add. There is something written in the middle, as we are not able to write here, but we can show a graphical presentations of the outlines of the writings here. All right, so you can see this is the regular presentation of the flags of the country Brazil. I hope you like the video. You can browse through our playlist and you have lots of options and choices in different categories. You can learn and start your learning of drawing there. All right, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.